Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 18.3 from question number 4. So this is the last question of exercise 18.3. Okay, factorize after removing the HCF. So we have first part, this is 4a square plus 24a plus 36. Okay, so dear children, we have to ask factorize this given expression by removing HCF. Okay, so now observing each term of the given expression. This is 4a square plus 24a plus 36. Okay, so looking as 4. Okay, 4 as HCF. Okay, in other words, we can also write 4a square product of 2 into a square plus 24 written 2 into 3. Okay, 2 to the power 8, 3 is 24 into a plus 36. This is written in this form as a product of 2 into 2 into 2 to the 4 into 2 to the 4. Okay, this is written 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so in all the term we have 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so this is taking out common 2 into 2. So this becomes 2 into 2 and this is a square plus this is 2 into 3 into a plus this is 3 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4 and this is a square plus 2 into a into 3 plus this is 3 square. So now using identity over here, a square plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. Okay, so this becomes 4 into a plus 3, a plus 3 whole square. Okay, so this is the solution of first part of question number 4. Okay, dear children, move to the second part of question number 4. This is a to the power 4 minus 4 a to the power 3 plus 4 a square. Okay, so in all the term, all three terms, looking a as a common. Okay, so first I will write a to the power 4 in product of this written product of a into a minus 4 a पे पावर 3 written as product of a into a plus this is 4 into a square. So here we have all term a product of a into a as a common. Okay, so taking a into a as a common, the above expression becomes this is a into a, this is a square minus 4 into a plus 4. So this is a square in bracket a square minus this written as 2 into a into 2 plus 4 2 square. Okay, so this is a square minus 2 a into 2 plus 2 square. So this is the second identity. Now using the second identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. So above expression this become a minus 2 whole square. So dear children, this is the solution of question number second part of question number 4. So this is the third part of question number 4. 3y to the power 4 minus 36y square plus 108. So dear children, this is written as 3 into y to the power 4 minus 36. This is product of 2 into 2, 3 into 3 y square into y square plus 108. Now find factors of 108, all factors. So this is 5, 4, 2, 17, 9, 3. Okay, so 108 written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so here 3, we have 3 in all the term. So taking out common, this is 3 and we left y to the power 4 minus this is product of 2 into 3 y square plus this is 2 into 3 into 3. And now this written in this form y square to the power 2 minus and plus this is 6 2 to the 4 36. So 36 can be written as 6 to the power 2 and this is 2 into y square into 6. So now using identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, so this expression become 3 into y square minus 6 whole square. So this is the solution of third part of question number 4. So this is the 4 times cube part of question number 4. 10a square minus 20ab plus 10b square. Okay. So here we have 10 common in all three terms. So taking out 10 outside from all the three terms, so this become 10 and inside the bracket a square minus f is 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now over here, using identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a minus b whole square. So this become 10 a minus b whole square. Okay. So dear children, this is the solution of 10a square minus 20ab plus 10b square. Further move to the fifth part of question number 4. This is 2x square plus 12x plus 18. So looking all three terms 2 as a common, so again taking out 2 as a common, so this is 2 and the above expression become x square plus 6x plus 9. Now here we are looking first and third term are perfect square, so this is written as 2 into x square plus, and this is plus 3 square, and middle term can be written as product of 2 into x into 3. Okay, 2 into x into 3. So now this is the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is in this form. So now using identity a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b square. So this becomes x plus 3 whole square. Okay, so this is the solution of fifth part, 2x square plus 12x plus 18. So this is the sixth part of question number 4. 5a power 3 minus 30a square plus 45a. So we have 5a as a common in all three terms. Okay. So now taking 5a as a common, so this is 5a and this expression becomes a square minus 6a plus 9. Okay, a square minus 6a plus 9. So this expression a square minus 6a plus 9, the first and last term are perfect square. So this is written as 5a square minus plus 3 square, and middle term written as product of 2 into a into 3. Okay, a square minus 2 into a into 3 plus 3 whole square. So by using identity This is a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a minus b square. Okay, so this become 5a, and this is a minus 3 whole square. Okay, dear children, so this is the solution of question number 6 part of question number 4. Okay, what I can do first, I will taking out HCF, okay, in all the three terms. So this is 5a, and remaining is a square minus 6 plus 9, and here this expression written in the form. So this expression becomes identity a square minus 2b plus b square. Okay, so finally we got 5a minus 3 whole square. Okay.